Don't take on too much. Feeling overwhelmed creates stress, and stress is a risk factor for depression, says Dr. Nancy Irwin, author of U-Turn, Changing Direction in Midlife. Exercise regularly. Exercise appears to be an antidepressant in its own right and may act like an antidote to stress. Work on a positive attitude. Certain depression treatments, such as CBT, can help you develop a more upbeat outlook, although this treatment doesn't work for everyone. Take care of your health. Now is the time to focus on both your mental and physical health, because the mind-body connection plays a role in depression and relapse. Put off big decisions. I often advise patients to wait, if they can, until they are feeling stable and euthymic before making a major life-changing decision. Stop blaming yourself. If you're prone to depression, you may mentally berate yourself for missteps, either real or imagined. Watch your diet. Diet and exercise go hand in hand when it comes to maintaining mental and physical well-being. Don't stop treatment. Doctors recommend taking medication for 6 to 9 months after symptoms lift and you start to feel stable, says Dr. Marusak. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Steer clear of alcohol and especially illegal drugs, which can interfere with depression. Medications and alter your mood, and not in a good way. Manage stress. Chronic stress can actually cause physical changes in the brain, which can affect moods and emotions. Have an attitude of gratitude. Although it sounds simplistic, research suggests that for many, gratitude is a road to greater happiness. Join a support group. Support groups are particularly helpful, because there will be people there who have learned how to manage their depression and can provide excellent advice. Reconnect. Depression can make you feel alone, so it's important to reconnect with friends and family. Build your self-esteem. While self-esteem isn't something you can grow overnight, learning to accept yourself takes time. There are things you can do if you've lost that loving feeling.